Your first $100 online may not come from a viral moment. It can come from a small, simple stack that any beginner can put together in a few evenings, using free tools. In this video, I will walk through a 5-step roadmap that gives beginners a concrete path to a first sale online. Before we start, a quick reset. $100 is a small number on purpose. It may come from a single sale or a handful of small ones. It may take a few weeks, not a few days. And it is a starting point, not a shortcut. If that framing works for you, here is a simple 5-step path that runs on free tools from zero to a first sale. Here are the 5 steps. 1. Pick a niche and a specific problem to solve. 2. Pick one small offer. 3. Build one opt-in page. 4. Send one short email sequence. 5. Drive your first traffic to the page. Let me walk through each one. The first step is picking a niche. A useful niche is specific enough that you can name the person you are helping. Not people who want to make money, but freelance designers who want more clients or new parents who want to eat healthier without spending hours cooking. Alongside the niche, pick one specific problem you can help with. The tighter that pair, the easier every step after this tends to become. Step 2 is picking one small offer. You have 2 paths here depending on where you are. Path 1, sell something of your own, like a short guide, a template, a checklist, or a low-price digital product. Path 2, promote an offer that already exists as an affiliate and earn a commission when someone signs up or buys through your link. Both paths tend to work for first $100. Affiliate offers tend to be the shorter path if you do not have a product yet, since you are not building anything from scratch. Step 3 is building one opt-in page. This is a single page where a visitor gives you their email address in exchange for a small freebie related to your niche, something like a short PDF, a checklist, or a template. Inside System, you can create this on the free plan using the Build an Audience funnel goal. That gives you a landing page and a thank you page you can edit in a drag-and-drop editor. Keep the page simple with a clear headline, a short list of benefits, and a single email field. Step 4 is a short email sequence. When someone signs up, the first email delivers the freebie. The next 2 or 3 emails share useful content related to your niche and softly introduce your offer or affiliate link. Inside System, this is built in the Campaigns section under the Emails menu. You then connect the opt-in page to the campaign using a workflow under Automations, so new sign-ups start receiving the sequence automatically. Step 5 is getting people to the page. A few options tend to work at zero cost. Share the link with people you already know who fit the niche through email or a direct message. Post the freebie in 1 or 2 online communities where your target audience already spends time in a way that is genuinely helpful. Add the link to your social bios. And if you have time, create one long-form piece of content like a blog post or a short video that answers a specific search question in your niche with the freebie link inside. If you would like to try System's free plan and follow this roadmap, the link is in the description. If you sign up to any paid system plan through that link, email or DM me and I will send you 6 free bonuses to help you get set up faster. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.